Hello, millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. I want to share a little something that I ran into today with ClickFunnels. I have this opt-in page over here. Let me go ahead and view it real quick so you guys can see what's going on. And what had the problem that I was running into earlier, every time I would go into the to put in my email address, it would automatically redirect me to the page that I'm supposed to go to without having to put my email address. And after a little bit of research, I went ahead and deleted the timer, and I did a bunch of different. I knew it was a timer related issue. If you come back here, for example, go in the edit, you would see that. If you come down here, you see where it says redirect URL, and you can put in the URL that you want over here. But I didn't have anything in there, and it would still, every time I would go into this opt-in form over here, as soon as I click my cursor in here to put my email address, it will automatically redirect me into the URL that I'm made this funnel go to, basically. But what I began to realize after doing a little bit of research is I went back here. I don't want to make any changes, so I'm just going to leave. The problem that I ran into is there was a split test. There was a split. I got rid of the split. Like, say if you create, let's go ahead and do it anyway. I didn't want to, but I don't care. Create variation. You want to do a split test. Create duplicate opt-in form. Create from template. So we're going to grab the same one, okay? All right. So what it's going to do is going to just it's going to have it's going to create an exact same variation. This is the control, and this is the variation. Basically, this is the main opt-in page, and this is the second main page. One thing we can do over here, we can come in and split the traffic to go halfway, 50-50, 40-80, I mean 40-60, however you want it. But that's not what I'm trying to say over here. What I did in the variation, here's what happened in the variation. The variation had the what do you call it? The redirect. There was actually a URL over here. So every time I would visit this page, at first it would show me the control opt-in, which is the one I created first, and that would work fine. I would go in here and put in my email address. Let's go ahead and put one in just for test. Let's call it test 1122 at gmail.com, right? And we'll go down here, and it would take me to my page, right? So everything looks good over here, right? But the problem that I was running into is every time, excuse me, every time I go into my opt-in page, let me go ahead and view this again. Preview, click on the preview over here. What happened to me earlier, every time I would go in here, it would, first time it would work, it would let me put in an email address. I would close it and open it again, and as soon as I bring my cursor up here to put in an email address, it would automatically redirect me to my page, which is right here. And it took me a while, so I had to go back and forth, and I finally realized that I have variation. Basically, I had a, what do you call it? Let me come back here. I'm not going to save anything, of course. But anyway, I was running a split test. I was doing 50% traffic here, 50% traffic here, and that's what threw me off. So just in case you guys ever run into this, remember, one thing you can do, just come over here and just go delete variation, and that would get rid of the variation page. Okay, and basically all your traffic will go right here. But if you do want to test, if you want to split test and have one page where they have to put in their email address, and you can have another, you can have your control opt-in page where they have to put in their email address in order for them to move forward to the what do you call it, to the desired URL. Or you can have it where as soon as they go up there and click on the email opt-in, let me go back here again. As soon as they click over here, without having to put their email address, it would automatically redirect them to the desired URL. I hope this makes sense, guys. It's a real simple fix, but it took me a minute to understand it, so I wanted to share that with you just in case you guys ever run into that. Because it had me, the problem that I wanted to eliminate this feature here because I was missing out on a lot of opt-ins, email addresses, and I'm trying to build my list right now. I got my autoresponder connected to, go into edit, and my integration set up with what do you call it? Get response. So that's the code that I got from Get response, and I pasted it over here. Paste and amp, parse and amp, and you're all good to go. Make sure you have email over here, and import and manually redirect URL if you ever serves. Oh, here's the problem is. Thank you. I'm gonna have to look into this. I forgot what this part does over here, but it says import and manually set redirect URL in your AR service. Since you are using a custom form, you will need to manually set your redirect. Okay, I already got that done. That's fine. Anyway, I hope this helped you guys. If you ever run into an issue, just always remember to look at your split test, because what happened is half of the depending on how you have it set up, half of your traffic, 50% of the traffic might be going to your control, and 50% could be going into variation. I hope you guys learned something new today, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you want this simple opt-in funnel, I'm gonna put this below, and you guys can click on it and use it if you want. It's real simple. All I have over here is just an image with some text, timer, and a little more text, and email opt-in. And that's pretty much it. And if you look on under the mobile, and it's also pretty simple. It's straightforward. All it is just basically getting your email address, and it takes you into the desired URL. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tick that bell icon, because I'm always creating and publishing new content to show you how to make money online and quit your 9-to-5. I want to show you something, guys, real quick while I have you here before I let you go. Come back here, funnels, and oh, I'm going to go back to dashboard. Hang on. I just received this payment here a couple days ago, so if you guys want to learn how I made $118, ClickFunnels pays me that for one of my subscribers. If you guys want to learn how to make money online with investing $0, the link's going to be in the description. Check it out. And if you have any questions at all, please don't forget to leave them in a comment below. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day.